With all the padding on this, it's gonna be harder to get the sledgehammer to the actual frame, but we'll give it a go. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is what the frame is made out of. It's oriented strand board, or OSB, typically used in sheeting on a house. And it's not super good. It has a lot of strength, but it's not really good at wiggling and moving very much. So, and fasteners can come out of it pretty easily. And typically they're using staples to go into this stuff. So not very good material to put in a sofa. Great for a house, not for furniture, if you're moving it at all. You know, they've used a little bit of hardwood in here, but the main support structures are this OSB, and it's a little thicker. So they are trying to do things to make it a good product, but overall, if you're gonna wrestle on it or anything, this is gonna just break. Again, it's what do you want? Do you want the $500 sofa that you can throw away in a landfill, get a new one every 10 years and refresh your home? Or do you want something that's gonna last a long time that you can reupholster over and over again?